Have you ever looked at an image and wished you could instantly turn it into a creative text prompt? What if I told you you can do just that in seconds? Welcome to the world of image to prompt, where your images transform into powerful text prompts and descriptions with just a few clicks. In this video, we'll explore how this innovative tool works, its amazing features, and what's coming next. Stay tuned. What is image to prompt? Overview of the tool. Image to prompt is an online platform designed to convert images into detailed text prompts. It leverages advanced AI technology to generate descriptions and stable diffusion prompts that can be used for various creative applications. How it works? Step-by-step process. 1. Upload your image. The first step is simple. Upload your image. You can drag and drop a PNG or JPEG file up to 4 megabytes. 2. Instant generation. Within seconds, image to prompt will analyze your image and generate a text prompt along with descriptive details. 3. Copying outputs. You can easily click on any output to copy it directly to your clipboard. No hassle. 4. Ask questions. But that's not all. You can also ask the AI any question about the image, and it will provide you with instant answers. Exploring features. Dashboard overview. Curious about your past uploads? Just click the dashboard link at the top bar to see all your previous images and their generated prompts. Upcoming features. What's next for image to prompt? Exciting new features are on the horizon, including image upscaling for enhanced quality, batch uploads for efficiency, keyword definitions for better prompt customization, and more AI models to explore. Use cases. Practical applications. This tool is perfect for artists looking for inspiration, writers needing prompts, or anyone wanting to enhance their creative projects. Imagine transforming your photos into unique story ideas or design concepts. In conclusion, image to prompt is a game-changing tool that simplifies the creative process by turning images into text prompts in seconds. It's user-friendly, efficient, and packed with features that cater to various creative needs. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content like this, and hit the notification bell. Have you tried image to prompt yet? Let us know in the comments how you plan to use it.